Hello and welcome to Company Interiors. My name's Nick Clark and welcome to our channel, which is for all things involving preserved mosses, preserved plants, moss walls, moss frames. Now this is a term that is called vertical gardening. So vertical gardening is what it is. It is the process of actually moving the interior of your offices and your home into walls of preserved plants and preserved mosses. Now these particular terms involve nothing to do with watering, no maintenance, completely carefree. So your vertical garden is what you make it, and here we're in my home studio, my home office, and the benefits of having a green, a lush background for an area where you work is phenomenally important. There are statistics showing how vertical gardening, home planting and desk planting in general improves productivity, improves morale and well-being, and also is a fantastic visual aid for the environment. So what we've got here is an actual moss wall. These are preserved mosses applied onto a ply backing, prefabricated panels, or you can buy these loose. I'm going to put some descriptions and some links in the descriptions below where you can take a look at all of these products so you can try and create your own project. So what we have amongst here is we have flat mosses, we have lichens, and we have bun mosses, all preserved. We also then are starting to add some more preserved materials. Again, these are natural preserved eucalyptus and also small baby eucalyptus plants, as well as ferns. These are preserved fern leaves, which looks absolutely fantastic within your design and your structure, be it in a smaller frame or be it in an entirely large wall like we have here. We also then have these reindeer mosses in different colors, so there's a whole spectrum of color that you can add to your design, and not also to forget that these are incredibly good as acoustic absorption. So within your office and within your space, if there are lots of hard materials, using these products will absorb a lot of the sound, dampen that down. So why don't you go out today, try and create a design. If you can click on any of the links in the description below, please subscribe to my channel, of course, and click the link if you want to have some more versions of these videos from our channel. The whole process will be fantastic for you to get involved with. So all the links are in the description if you want to have a look at any of these products. We'll see you again soon.